A major political discussion is happening inside the CPM regarding the Talipparambil constituency ahead of the upcoming assembly elections. The big question is, who will be the candidate? As of now, CPM State Secretary member MV Jayarajan and journalist Nikesh Kumar are being considered as possible candidates from Talipparambil. Currently, the MLA from Talipparambil is the CPM State Secretary M.V. Govindan. Since he will not be contesting again from this seat, the district leadership initially suggested the name of his wife, P.K. Shyamala. However, this proposal faced local opposition. Many party members or supporters raised concerns. Some criticism appeared on social media, saying that fielding the wife of the state secretary from the same constituency he is vacating does not match the party's usual style. Earlier, even the name of Sukanya, wife of former MLA A. James Matthew, was discussed in the district secretariat, but later the focus shifted to Shyamala. Now, the state leadership is reconsidering that decision and many intervene. Because of the resistance, the leadership is now looking at M.V. Jayarajan as a compromise candidate. Jayarajan is experienced. He was elected as MLA from Idekkyad, later Dharmadam constituency also back in 1996. He is also acceptable to the district leadership. At the same time, Talipparambil is politically sensitive. In the recent local body election, the UDF made noticeable progress here. So, CPM wants a strong and safe candidate. Meanwhile, senior leader KK Shailaja is almost confirmed to contest from Peravur. Since she is a prominent women leader from the district, some feel women's representation is already ensured. Shyamala was also considered partially from the perspective. There are also internal discussions suggesting that Shailaja could instead contest from Talipparambil, while Zakir Hussain, who gave a tough fight against Sunny Joseph last time, would be fielded in Peravur. But sources say that option looks unlikely. Interestingly, Jayarajan met the Chief Minister at Cliff House this morning for discussions. The final decision is expected at today's CPM State Secretariat meeting. So now the big question remains, will it be Jayarajan, Nikesh Kumar or a last-minute surprise? Talipparambil is clearly becoming one of the most closely watched constituencies this election season.